Today I'm doing a review of Ikea LADDA 750 mAh AAA rechargeable battery. Before we start the test, I want to address one concern. The previous version of these Ikea LADDA AAA batteries were 900 mAh and this one is 750. I truly believe that, as we can see here, it is made in Japan. It is probably the same factory, and before we know, the Ikea batteries were manufactured in the Eneloop factory. So this is probably the same case. These are Eneloop batteries rebranded. What is the major difference? That now, at least in my country, you cannot buy the bigger version of 900 mAh. I have that battery here. It is a black version, and these are probably Eneloop white version. So in terms of quality, you should probably have the same quality like before, just with less capacity. I will compare the weight with the Eneloop Pro, which is 900 mAh. As you can see, it is 12 grams. And these are Ikea, which we believe they are Eneloop white. 11 grams. For testing, I will use my trusty lithium charger. The test which I'm doing is a NOR test, and what it basically do is it will fully charge the batteries. After that, it will completely discharge them, and finally it will fully charge them. That ensures that we get the most accurate result about battery capacity. We are at first stage now. The batteries are charging. We will monitor the situation and wait for a final result. Battery capacity test is finally done, and here we can see for battery in slot number 1 it is 746 mAh. It is like advertised capacity. The second one literally the same. Third one shows a little less, and fourth one again, 1, 2 and 3 have nearly exactly the same number. Really interesting to see this. And keep in mind that probably this one have more like these 3, but there is always some oscillation during the test. If I would repeat this, it will be probably show more toward the upper range of the capacity. So this was Ikea LADDA AAA battery. Basically this is enough proof that these batteries are like Eneloop AAA batteries, white version. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please consider subscribing, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Until next time, see ya.